Greetings everyone, today I will show you how to create a YouTube in Infinity Craft. So let us begin. So first, grab a fire and water to create a steam. Now, use steam and fire to create engine. Now combine these two to make a rocket. Now combine rocket and rocket to create a satellite. Now grab water and water to create a lake. Now combine them and you have a Google. Now use earth and water to create a plant. Now wind it to dandelion. Now dandelion, you have a pouch. Wind it, you have a seeds. Iron, you have popcorn. Now take earth and earth to create a mountain. Going to have a movie, and now you have a YouTube. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.